Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a new chat in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chats. Now if you want to create a new chat, in the bottom right corner there is this little pen icon. If we tap this, here we can create a new message by either searching for the person that we want to send it to in our contacts, or tapping on this, and then we can see our contacts, the contact list, and just search from there. Or we can create a new group, a new secret chat, or a new channel here. So all of these things are done in this tab. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.